Welcome to One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Cash App. So as you guys can see, I've downloaded Cash App from my app store, or if you're using iPhone you can download it from Play Store and open it. Now once you open the app, this is gonna be your first interface. Now in order to create an account, you need to enter your phone number or email. Alright, so for this video's purpose I'm going to be using my email, so I'm going to click on use email over here. Once you click on use email, you need to enter your email address over here. So I'm going to enter my email address. You guys also do that. And while I'm entering my email address, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video, because in the future we're going to be posting more Cash App related videos just like this. Alright, once you enter it, click on next, and on the next step it's going to send a verification code to your email. Alright, so you just need to open your email to see the code sent by Cash App to you. After entering the code sent by Cash App to you, click on next. So after I type the verification code, you're gonna come over here. Once over here, if you want to enter your debit card information, you can. If you don't, you can click on skip. Once you click on skip, it's gonna ask your first name, so I'm gonna enter my first name, and I'm gonna enter my last name over here, and I click on next. And basically on my next step, the account should be created. Alright, so wait for some time. As you guys can see, it's gonna ask you to create a cash tag for yourself, so I'm gonna create a unique cash tag for myself. Now the cash tag needs to be unique to you. Alright, if anybody else has the similar cash tag, you can't do it. You need to have your own cash tag. It has to be unique to you. Alright, so I'm gonna enter a unique cash tag for me, so I'm gonna write this over here. So I'm gonna click on next, and my cash tag or my Cash App account should be created. So it's asking me to enter the zip code where I live as well, so I'm gonna enter my zip code over here real quick. After I enter it, you can click on skip, and a Cash App account is created just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can create yourself a Cash App account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.